We're at Terror Isle Haunted Attraction in Texas City, Texas. For the Haunted Attraction Network, I'm Philip. Let's meet the pirates.
Welcome aboard the Ravager, mateys. Yes. I'm counting on you buccaneers to save my ship and make your way onto the isle. Now, get to work.
Ah!
It's lovely and tasty, very sweet.
I welcome to the Sea Witch Tavern. Come on in, why don't you have a drink? We've got meat, we've got rum, we've got beer. Take your choice, they'll all kill you. Want any? Huh? Any? What do you know? Huh? You want food? Anything? Anything? Who comes into my lair? No humans are allowed in here!
Look at it.
I said do not enter! What in the bloody hell you think you're doing busting into my treasure chamber? Don't touch anything, or else you'll stay here forever!